Hi, I'm here with my mom. She's here visiting for the week after Mother's Day, and we are cooking together for the first time in a long time, and we are making something from my friend Michaela's cookbook. We're going to make her chili mac. Yay! While we're cooking, we got to figure out which wine goes best with chili mac. We're going with this one. We use the lean ground beef, so we're not even going to have to drain that.
No, if you cook it long enough, it'll...
We get to skip a step. We even have matching shoes. You can't tell how much taller I am. Here. No. Taller. 4 inches.
Yeah. We need to put the spice in so it can cook with the ground beef before we put the wet ingredients in.
And we need chili powder, salt, and pepper.
Chili powder.
Using the official unit of measurement. Shake until it looks right. Oh, that's a pour spout!
Why did you sprinkle it?
Pay attention. More wine.
And another pepper. Mix and stir, mix and stir.
Right. Next we're doing the beans and the chili.
Yep.
And the sauce.
And the sauce.
Right. We start
Sauce.
with the sauce in the water. Michaela uses a can of tomato soup. I didn't have any, so we're using marinara sauce. We cooling them up with some water. And she uses chili. Help me out, Mama. And then since we're using chili without beans, we're going to add 2 cans of beans instead. Do the beans. Oh, one's on the floor.
Man down.
Trying to be like Julia Child over here.
Man down. Get to the last
Lone
one.
survivor. Right. And it says, stir it all together, cover and simmer for 10 minutes.
I think we're going to need a bigger pot.
Be aight.
Ooh, look at that.
Forgot to say we cooked noodles earlier. So Michaela's recipe uses sliced American cheese, but we had a ton of block cheese, so we cooked some. And because we like cheese, we're gonna sprinkle in some cheese first. Oh shoot. There goes my clean stovetop. Oh well.
Melty, melty.
Turn the heat just a bit. Smelty, melty. Ready for the noodles?
Yeah, but I don't know how much of that you're going to put in. Oh, hang on. I'll help you out here. Or let me...
They're heavy noodles.
Timber! Do you want all of them now?
Oh yeah.
It's not going to fit.
Make it fit. Oh, all right. Stir that where it is now. Would you rather have a spoon instead of a spatula?
Probably.
But, the door's stuck. Here. Yep. Don't laugh. Your kitchen looks like that too.
Much better. More better.
More better.
It's bubbly.
It sounds yummy.
That's what we want. More cheese, please. Or do we need?
Maybe we can put the rest of these noodles in there.
Yeah.
Let's do it. We're not scared. So it says to fold the macaroni and then we're going to cover it with cheese and put the top back on and let it melt and be ready to eat. We're going to need a bigger boat. Let's hope this pot gives us some grace and fits everything inside. That looks so yummy.
It does. Tinkle.
Right. Get it all fit in the pot. We're gonna sprinkle. You do it, Mom. I'm holding cheese. You sprinkle. All right, cheese.
Or no?
Cover and let it melt. Oh, take the spoon out.
Bye-bye.
Hey honey, what's for dinner?
Right, so we're done. Oh, salad's eaten. Which one you know? I ate mine all gone. Clean Plate Club. But some of it ended up on my shirt. But anyway, I can't wait to try all the recipes. Make sure you check out Michaela from theheart.com and buy her Savor cookbook. I'll put the links below.